What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And you guys know my name is Jerry. You're watching Where's Garage, and I got a short video for you guys, and that's on how to install the Cobb knob on your Mazdaspeed. Like I said, it's gonna be a short video because it's not that hard to do. You just pretty much unscrew and screw it back on. But I want to show you guys that, and yeah, show you guys that. And sorry that I wasn't really posting that much. Just been busy with work and with other stuff, but for right now, I want to show you guys how to put this on. So let's get to that. I'm gonna show you what's in the box, and let's get to it. Alright, I kind of already opened it already, but this is the box it comes in, and boom, there you go. It's the Cobb knob. I got the black and red. Thanks to Matt for hooking us up with this Cobb knob. But yeah, let's get to it. Let's open it. This is what it looks like. Like I said again, I got the black and red. Kind of matches the car. I was gonna get the white, but then I was like, nah, I'm gonna keep it kind of matching the car. So I got black and red. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put that on. Really simple. Doesn't take that long. It takes maybe like 5 minutes. Let's go. All right, the first thing you want to do is you just unscrew. Just go like this. Unscrew the knob. Boom, there you go. Knob is off. That's what it looks like. Oh, this is the first time taking the knob off. I probably need to put these back on, get some glue or something. See, some of them wasn't even on. But for now, I'll do that later when I go to work. Get some glue and some. But yeah, that's it. You just unscrew it, and you get your Cobb knob, and you just screw it on. And boom. And that's it. That's all you do. You just unscrew it and put the new knob on, and yeah, that's it. That's simple. Like I said, it's gonna be a short video. I'm just pretty much just showing you guys what mod I got for my car, and just showing you what I got and what you will see if you guys get it. But yeah, it looks nice. I like it. I like the detail on it, on the Cobb. And yeah, so I'm trying to get it close as it looks like. Like I said, black and red, so I can match your car. It feels good on the hand. It feels good on the hand. I'm probably just gonna put this up, so just in case, say like, sell the car, I can just take it off, put this back on and stuff like that. But for now, I'm gonna put this up. But yeah, that's how you do it. And that's how you guys put the Cobb knob on your Mazdaspeed. Like I said, it was a short video. All you do is unscrew and put the new one on. But I did too. I got hello horns too, but I'm not gonna show you guys that right now. I'm gonna show you guys in the next video. Probably do that on the weekend. So stay tuned for that. But till then, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Till then, I see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have a good day. Be safe out there. I'll see you guys later.